Yes, good morning, students. Okay, 11th students, you have to do the practicals also. Okay, so though physically you will not be doing the practicals, but in the practical file you have to write down these experiments. Okay, so this is the list of the experiments which you will write down in the practical file. The first experiment is to find the volume of a cuboid using vernier calipers. The second is to find the diameter of a wire using the screw gauge. The third experiment is to determine the value of small g. Small g is what? Acceleration due to gravity using simple pendulum. Also, you have to plot a graph between L and T square. L is the length of the wire, the length of the pendulum, and T is the time period. Time period means the time taken to complete one oscillation. So here we have to plot a graph between L and T square on the graph board. Okay. The next experiment is to find unknown weight. Okay, and unknown body will be given and iron body will be given, and its weight has to be determined. That is the unknown weight of the body using parallelogram law of vectors. Okay, parallelogram law of vectors we have already studied. Then the fifth experiment is to determine coefficient of friction mu. Okay, and also here we have to plot a graph between frictional force and normal reaction. We know that frictional force is directly proportional to normal reaction. So F is directly proportional to X. So how will be the shape of the graph? It will be a straight line passing to the origin. So here we have to also plot a graph. Now in the practical notebook, how will you write this experiment? Experiment number 1. First, you will write the aim of that experiment. Aim of the experiment. This, whatever aim is given over here, this is the aim of the experiment. Apparatus required, whichever book you have, or in the practical notebook also, this experiments are given. So, what all apparatus you need? So, here you will write the apparatus required. The next part will be theory. In the theory, you will write the formula used, or you will explain whatever theory. In the theory it is coming, any statement is there, you will explain that statement. Like in parallelogram law of vectors, you can explain what is parallelogram law of vectors. Here the finding of the volume, cuboid it is, so you can write the formula of volume. Volume is length into breadth into height. Okay, so this way you have to write the formula or explain whatever is the basic principle of it, that is the statement. Okay, then the next, you will write the procedure. Read the experiment, whichever book you have, read the experiment and write the procedure in your own words, point wise. Okay, in only 2, 3 or 4 points, not more than that. Read it and write it in your own words. So procedure, 4 or 5 lines, point wise. Okay, then you will make the observation table. This observation table is given in the book, in the practical book, which you will make it on the left page. Okay, practical file, the left page is the blank page, there you will make the observation table. Okay, on the right side, the writing of A, apparatus, theory, procedure, everything will be written on the ruled sheet, on the right sheet. Observation table on the blank page, on the left page. Okay, you will make the observation table, serial number, there are few columns, make that observation table and leave it empty. Don't fill up any readings, leave it empty. Okay, if we get time, let's see. Okay, if you are called to the school and allowed to do the experiments, then you will do it. Otherwise, you leave the observation table empty. Okay, so this has to be written on the left page, only the observation table. Then you will write the result. The next heading should be result, and the next heading should be precautions while doing the experiment. What precautions you have to take? Precautions and sources of error. And sources of error. Okay, so these should be the headings. 7 headings should be there, and you will write the experiments. Okay, so these 5 experiments write in your practical notebook. Also draw the figure on the left page. Okay, on the left page you will make the observation table, and you can also draw the figure on the left page. Okay, if there is any diagram you can draw it on the left page. Only 5 experiments you write down. Okay, and after writing 5 experiments, then on the last page you will write down art integration. That is what all things, art things you have used. This will be on the last page, art integration. That what things have you used to inculcate this art. Like if you are making the graph, you are using the graph paper, you are using the scale, you are using a pencil. When you are drawing a diagram, again drawing a diagram is also an art. Okay, making the observation table, that is also an art. Okay, like here, this simple pendulum experiment, what thread you are using, bob you are using, all this comes under art integration. So on the last page, in 4 or 5 points, you will write what all things you have used to make this art integration out of this. Like here, I'll read it because now this has to be submitted to the board. Okay, so like here, study of various materials such as like in the simple pendulum, you will be using a thread like thread. In this experiment, parallelogram law of vectors, again you will be using thread and some unknown weights. Okay, some weights will be there. So weights. Okay, so you will write down on the last page that the materials which we have used to inculcate this art integration are like thread, pencil, scale, drawn the graph, okay, drawn the diagram, all this comes under that. Okay, here you will be using the wire also, so wire also you have used. Okay, so all this comes under art integration. So in the end, in 3 or 4 lines you will write about art integration. So this you have to write down in your practical notebook. Is that clear? So complete the writing work. Okay, you will be given enough time. After this, after your periodic test, then it will be collected. You will be given enough time to complete all these practicals, to write all these experiments in your practical notebook. So this way you will note it down, and on the last page you will write down art integration. Is that clear? Okay, thank you.